What's up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Sorry. So guys, I I didn't pick one of the name yet because it's later that day and now my time is 8:53. So I got this. Guys, I picked one name for this boy and I didn't pick it. I just watched it from the video and I like a name. I like that name, but I'm still going to do with you guys. Guys, I'm here to organize my items because this chest right here should be my resources. Well, these two chests up here, you can see it now. These two chests is an extra chest for all items. But in the other chest, all foods can be stored there because I want to be organized. So I know I cannot speak directly in the point because I, I'm a Filipino and I love my language. So guys, I'm sorry if you can't understand me. I will try to speak English but and I will be better and better and better. So guys, I just want to ask you, can you join Minecraft server? Because I cannot join. It like if I join my Minecraft will be crashed. Okay, today we're just getting organized and oops. And maybe I will name my ship. You guys see my ship right here. Okay, we will name it Harry the Pink Ship. I mean Harry the Ship because I want to see I'm organized. Bam. Okay guys, this gunpowder should bam here. And now guys, I will cook it and today we'll still have more time, right? Good. We're making potato farm today because I don't want to waste this potato. So guys, I will be right back and I will just get some supplies. Thank you guys. Okay guys, I'm ready to make this potato farm. Oh look, my sugar cane is growing well. Oh, wait a minute. There we go, perfect. Where should I put this? Let's count this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 over 9. I mean 9 by 7. Basta. Sorry, that's a Filipino word. It's okay. It should be fine. That's perfect. So, let me just get me wonderful shovel. Wonderful shovel. Next episode, I mean tomorrow, we're gonna build a doghouse right here. Right here. Perfectly. Doghouse. Let's make this a bread bomb. Okay, I'm just getting the shovel. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe this. Let's just get. Oh my god, no. You know what? I can just 1, 2, 3, 4. Replace this and go in my house and take this. Okay, we're not getting organized it, but next episode, we're making a dog farm. What? Dog farm? I mean, dog house. I forgot my hoe. All farmers need hoe. And a bucket. Bucket means... Oh my god, not bucket, I mean basta. I say it I say it early, right? That means like I don't know how to explain it in English, but if I get the English perfectly, I will say what it means. But today, let's get this potato farm done. And booyah. Okay guys. Guys, if you like this video, leave a like, hit that like button and that subscribe button in the comment below, and comment what name should I name my dog in the comment section below. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this, leave subscribe now for more Scourge Empire, and I'll see you guys on my next vid. Goodbye.